Hello, welcome back to TCM Connections. I've been, I've been doing some research on chronic fatigue syndrome, and I had a moment of clarity where a number of things relating to Qi, health, Tai Chi, Western medicine, Eastern medicine came together a bit more clearly. And I hope this video will help TCM practitioners, TCM students, and even Tai Chi and Kung Fu practitioners have a better understanding of how Qi relates to our bodies and our health. So one type of Qi I'll start with is the primordial Qi. This is the Qi that we inherit from our parents and our ancestors. Another type of Qi is nutritive Qi, which is what we derive from our food. Air Qi is what we derive from our breathing into our lungs. It can also be improved through exercise because we breathe harder and deeper during exercise. Nutritive and air Qi combines to form pectoral Qi, and primordial and pectoral Qi combines to form normal Qi. So to the layperson, normal Qi is what they think of when they think of Qi. Now Qi has two components. The Yang component can be referred to as the Yang and the Qi, and the Yin component, which is the Yin nature of the Qi and the blood. Note that Qi compared to blood, Qi is more Yang and blood is more Yin in nature. For example, Yang and Qi allows us to keep our body warm in a cold or cooler environment. A deficient of Yang and deficiency of Qi will make us feel more vulnerable to the cold and makes us feel colder. The Yin and blood, if there is deficient Yin and blood, we get things like dizziness and night sweats, just to name a couple of examples. Now, in order for the Qi to work effectively, there has to be an interplay, a yin-yang interplay, as is the essence of Chinese medicine. Now, what the research is proposing is the Yang and Qi component has a direct relationship and impact to the mitochondrial function. Now, from a Western medicine perspective, the mitochondria in the cell is where the main energy of the body, in order for the body to function, that's where it gets its source of energy from. So in terms of trying to relate this to Eastern Chinese medicine, the research is postulating that the Yang and the Qi component of Qi has a direct relationship with the mitochondrial function of how effectively it creates ATP energy. The research also proposes that the Yin and the blood component of Qi has a direct impact and relationship to the body's immune function. And they used a number of additional research papers to show that using Yang and Qi tonic herbs can improve the mitochondrial function, and using Yin and blood tonic herbs can improve the body's immune system. So that's makes it a bit clearer in terms of what herbs to use as a TCM practitioner. And of course, acupuncture, working on the meridian system, can impact either or both of the Yin and Yang components of Qi. Now, we all know to some degree that being calm and having a balanced state of mind and body affects all of the functions of the body. So the flow of Qi, the level of Qi, and the overall health. And this is where I bring Tai Chi into the picture, in that Tai Chi has many components, or Tai Chi, Qigong for that matter, has many components in that it's an exercise, it's a form of exercise. It actually increases your air Qi intake because of the way it uses breathing and movement. And overall, it gives you that calm and balanced state of mind and mind-body integration. Overall, what it does to the whole system is improves the homeostasis of the body and works on the yin and yang interplay to increase and move the Qi throughout the body. Now, we can't forget about the original reason why I was doing research is around chronic fatigue syndrome, and there are a few known causes, and some of the more recent ones you may know of is the idea of a viral infection, and a lot of people who have had a COVID infection have actually suffered chronic fatigue, also known as long COVID, where they just feel continuously tired and their immune system is run down. They're prone to getting other illnesses and diseases, and the reasons for it aren't clear yet anyway. There's another known cause of chronic fatigue is excessive stress. So stress has many different aspects or impacts on the body that also results in chronic fatigue syndrome. So yes, it's still not fully understood from a Western medicine or a Eastern medicine perspective, but the research was actually showing that tonic herbs can help improve the mitochondrial dysfunction. So the research does show some promise, and as always, they always say that more research is required, especially when it comes to Chinese medicine research. So there you have it. Hopefully that makes it a bit clearer, and if you have any comments, please let me know, and I will put the reference for the research in the comments below. Thanks for watching.